So I'm Rax Hogan from Akron, Ohio, Midwest 330 Squad. You might have seen me on Complex, YouTube, in these New York City streets.
Hey man, where the fuck Alex at, dog? I mean, where in the fuck is your roommate Elliot? Where is he?
I'm Elliot. I live in Brooklyn, New York. I screen print at Togmaker.
Bro, he need to get up some dudes. Okay, I don't give a fuck. Do he know how to work a broom? Does he understand the function of a broom?
Oh, can you roast him?
He getting roasted right now, bud. What the fuck is this shit, dog? What the fuck, cuz? It's not fucking hard, bro. When you finish a project, when you get done, the last part, you're not done until you clean up because you're gonna have to do more shit the next day.
I started the shop like 2 years ago. At first I thought it would be cool to have a space that I could just do whatever I wanted. And it turned into a print shop / rug shop.
All right, bet. Say less. All right. So we got a motherfucker, one of our intern / employees, right? His name Alex. Love him to death. We love him to death, right? So the whole shit is, I don't know, you gonna learn this as episodes go on. Cleanliness is next to godliness, and cleanliness just helps things be more organized so you don't have to ask questions of where is it at? Where'd it go? What happened to it? This man don't know how to use a broom. So guess what? His ass come in here today, he gonna learn. Hey, listen here, old bald head boy. Where you at?
In the crib.
Why?
I don't feel good.
Oh, piss!
I'm coming later though.
No. You got the COVID?
No, it's not sick. I'm sick. I fucked up my shoulder really bad.
How you did that?
I don't know. I will
Stop trying to bench press midgets.
get a haircut in 6 o'clock, so I'll be in after that.
Okay, well, we're gonna learn how to use a broom today.
Okay.
I'll see you when you get here. I'll see you when you get here. For everybody in here, I'm just gonna let everybody fucking know for the summertime. You ain't done until you clean that shit up. That's it. That's it.
So here I help people like print, apparel, design graphics, outsource and locate manufacturers, basically anything that has to do with making clothes or apparel.
I'm Sponge, AKA Spongito. I'm from Brooklyn. I just be making rugs pretty much. You know, we come in, we knock out some rugs, just facilitate our creativity.
Hey bro, why you always on my frame, dog? No, don't go back to shooting. Don't go back to shooting, blood. Why you always up in my shit? Here's the crazy thing. We got 3 frames, right? Sponge pretend like this the only one he like to use. Okay, but guess what? You got a problem, because guess what? Just guess, take a wild guess at some shit. I want you to guess some shit real quick. You trying to use this frame?
You know, we kind of like one big creative family. You know, what I do here, I put in my graphic design, you know, my rug tufting efforts, just coming up with ideas, just being a part of the crew.
But I do need to set up some shit. You feel me? All right. I mean, hey, listen, bro. I'm gonna let you get your yellow on. All right? But you gotta move, dog. Look, man, that's your frame over there. Look, I got 3 extra frames, blood. I told you if you drill one together, you could use that whenever you wanted to, right?
That's a fact.
I did tell you that, right?
That's a fact.
You put that one together over there, right? Why the fuck you on my shit?
I like this shit.
I know.
Shit fire. All right, I'll move. I got you. You know, we really just trying to push the line creatively. Don't nobody do shit like how we do shit. So we just doing our thing. Just so happens to be the best.
Top shotters, them on it, you know what I'm saying? Spongito over there on the 1s and 2s. He got it done. He's got to get to the post office. I'm gonna go ahead and pack these up and get them ready to ship. We got 5 more to do. That's 10 pieces total. But yeah, we do bulk orders for rugs. People be thinking that it's a game. It's not no game. It's not a game.
It is very stressful sometimes. And I know a lot of people always like to talk about the upside of things, but I will be the first one to tell you this shit is work. I got Gray Skull, I co-own Togmaker. I co-own Remarkable Rugs. I run a printing or a moving company. if I could focus and really like just buckle down in certain areas of my life, you can too. I hope that's what I'm looking hopefully to do with these episodes of The Shop. Show you a little bit of everybody, the good, the bad, the ugly, what's going on. Alex gonna get his ass in here and use that damn broom later on because he done left it, you know what I'm saying? So it's just like, I want people to take away from this and make sure to stay in there. I really want people to take away from this the honest opinion. Sometimes Sponge get on my nerves, bullshitting. Sometimes Elliot get on my nerves, bullshitting. Sometimes I get on all their nerves, just being me.
And if it's too loud, they come through the wall, man. They gonna demonetize my channel, man. Thank you, man. I appreciate you, man. I'll let you know when I'm done, man. Appreciate you, player, man. I had to go over there, man, and ask him. I say, man, listen, if it ain't too much trouble, man, we just need you to just turn it down just a little bit, man. Rest in peace, Dolph. I know you over there getting in Paper Route Empire and shit, man. Why the fuck is there a pig?
I didn't want a dog. Everybody usually come in and they shocked to see a pig in Brooklyn. And to be honest with you, it's basically like having a dog, cat, animal, because he's litter trained. He goes to the bathroom in his place. He doesn't stink, contrary to popular belief that pigs is nasty animals. It was just a zig when they zag type of thing. I wasn't gonna pay $2,000 for some purebred dog. After the first 6 months, we literally just let him walk around, do his thing. Piglet is Pigsy. His name is Pigsy Marathon Hustle. He is named after the late great Nipsey, so that's his actual name. Listen, pigs are the shit. All right, period. If you got the space and you got the patience and you got the time, get a pig.
Who you talking to? What you were saying? What happened though? What's good? What's up? Huh? You want me to open this for you? Here. Here, bro. You gotta chill, blood. Like, listen, man. Listen, bro. Listen. I love you, dude, but this shit gotta stop, bruh. Look at your face. Just look at it.
Everybody in here the best at what they do, or I wouldn't have them around me. I'm confident, fully confident, everybody around me. So yeah, until I get less confident, you're gonna see Togmaker family out here making moves with Remarkable Rugs, with Grayskull, with Naptown. We just doing shit, man. And I just want people to know that, like, follow me, come follow me. I'll show you. Come on, come follow me now if you want to get on. Squad, gang, I'm out. You know what I mean? That's it. You got enough. I know you got enough. I know you got enough.
Pressure just want me dead. Started with nothing else. Started with what we needed. Couldn't see nothing else. We was just make believing. On record I air 'em out. On record I A to C 'em. From Brooklyn to where about the country I'm A to B in. I cannot